guys, no, guys, what we're gonna do, look at this. We got into an argument with someone, and now we're gonna kill him. Dude,
it's normal.
You gotta get the thing ready. We're gonna shoot him. He has a giant MECHBOT. Oh, MECHBOT, okay? Alright, guys, what's wrong with this game? Anyway, okay, guys, come on. I gotta go in the my little flags. I gotta go in. Come on. Dude, I gotta change the black team. Come on. Come on.
Well,
I have my underwear right now. I have my underwear.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm wearing only underwear. Dude, I need to get in. I need to get in. Oh my god! Bolo has a snake! Dude, I gotta get in there. Please. How do I get in? How do I get in? How do I get in? Oh! Oh, that's how to get in. Okay, where do I sit?
dude.
Yeah?
I'm gonna do something very, very stupid, okay?
Oh, okay.
Ready?
I'm gonna get this ready. What?
We're gonna do what every evil person would do.
What?
We're gonna attach a minigun.
Yeah?
That's more than a minigun.
What? You mean, dude? Oh my god! Yes! Dude, make a seat for me, okay? MECHBOT! The snake! Yes? I have the royal chair, guys. Let's go beat this guy! Snake beats MECHBOT! Yes! Snake beats MECHBOT, guys! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god, it's lagging. Come on! You can do this! Come on! Shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him!
That was the idea!
Yeah! Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Yes! 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 Come on!
Come on, E. Yes!
Yes! Come on!
Extra nuke.
We gotta do it! We gotta do it! Yes!
With my tail.
Oh! There's a little kaiju fighting right now! Oh my god! Nice! Get him! Get him! No! No! Get him! Get him! Get him! Yes! We beat him! Kill him! Kill him! We gotta get his head. We gotta get his head. I think that's the main spot, dude. Come on. Come on. Yes! Yes!
Restrict him.
Yes! Yes, they restrained him! Thank you, fellow blue team! Thank you!
Eat this, you damn mech.
Well, guys, that was really fun. More Bellabot videos are gonna come soon, okay?
Alright. Bye.
Like that one time.
Mama, I'm a
Criminal.